Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of football gear with a close look at the best Nike Alpha Menace cleats available on the market. If you're serious about your game, these might just be your next favorite pair.
Let's get started.
The Nike Alpha Menace Pro 3 cleats are designed for the modern athlete, combining durability, comfort, and performance in one sleek package. They feature a synthetic rubber sole for optimal traction on the field and a lace-up closure for a secure fit.
Plus, they come in this stylish black-white color scheme, which is both classic and functional.
Built tough to withstand the rigors of the game. Designed with player comfort in mind, from the padded interior to the breathable materials. Enhanced traction and stability thanks to the advanced sole design.
Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Nike Alpha Menace Pro 3 cleats are engineered to elevate your performance on the field.
They provide the support and agility you need to make those game-changing plays, all while keeping your feet comfortable and secure.
Wrapping up, if you're looking for top-notch football cleats that deliver on both style and substance, look no further than the Nike Alpha Menace Pro.
With their outstanding reviews and reputation among athletes, it's easy to see why they're a favorite choice on and off the field. That concludes our review of the Nike Alpha Menace Pro 3 football cleats.
If you found this video helpful,
don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product critiques and sports gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.